Nangawaten dagiti official ti Barangay Dagupan Lalo Cagayan ti multipurpose facility anag ti tinulungan nga inpasdek ti 357th Aviation Engineer Group, 355th Aviation Engineer Wing, Philippine Air Force and Marine Wing Support Squadron 174, ken United States Marine Corps. Naipasdek daytoy idi Abril 1 aging Mayo 7 kabayatan ti Joint Republic of the Philippines ken United States Balikatan Exercise 2025. Adaan daytoy ti kalawa nga 8 meters by 16 meters.
For na nagka-final yung proyekto, nagkaroon kami ng masusing research, no? So itong sinuggest ko, multi-purpose building, na magagamit namin talaga in any occasions, gagawin namin rin naming office na para ma-entertain yung mga constituent natin everyday.
Iti 35 a barangay iti lalo, ti Barangay Dagupan tinapili a benepisyaryo ti Engineering Civic Action Program wenno NCAP. Sumagmamano kadagiti nagibasaran ket ti titulo ti daga ken no addaan ti makaanay nga espasyo a pakaitakderan ti pasdek.
Through the Civil Engineer Action Program or the NCAP, we have more than physical infrastructure. We have created spaces that will give access to education, healthcare, and vital services. Classrooms that will nurture learning, health centers that will extend medical care, multi-purpose halls that will unite communities during gatherings or serve as safe shelters in times of disasters.
Ibilang met ti commanding officer ti Marine Wing Support Squadron ti Balikatan ket adupay iti kaipapanan na.
The Philippines is our oldest defense treaty ally in the Pacific. On top of that, though, I think what it goes to show is that Balikatan is much more than just a military exercise, and it's also a force and event of goodwill and investing back in the community, given the strong relationship between the United States and the Philippines.
Mangnamnama isuna nga inton umayatawen ket maipaayanda manen ti gundaway a makaipatakder ti baro a pasdek iti babaen ti NCAP.
I am hopeful that we'll get another HCA NCAP project next year. That's beyond my decision. However, we are very hopeful that we can do another one. It was very beneficial, and I think the stars just aligned with this one.
Kageddan ti panangawat ti LGU Lalo ken official ti Barangay Dagupan ti multipurpose facility ket ti ribbon cutting, unveiling of building marker ken panakabendisyon ti pasdek. Daytoy nga addang ti Armed Forces of the Philippines ken US Indo-Pacific Command ket mangipakita laeng ti gagem a mapatibker ti community development. Nika Jane Ganoy, Balitang Solid North.